Gandhi from Tenet Technetronics, Bangalore. I am an application engineer working on Arduino at Tenet. In the previous video, we have interfaced that Blinky with the Arduino board. Now the second varieties of a breakout, here is one. This is a switch breakout or an input breakout by controller. This breakout is compatible with Arduino as well as with other controllers like 8051 or PIC, ARM and any controllers. Here we are using 4 push buttons and 4 toggle switch. So using these 8 inputs, we can do any application depending upon the code what you have written on the controller. So these push buttons are connected with 4 10 kilo ohm resistors to avoid high impedance state, and the pin connections are, the first push button is connected to the first pin of the board, the second one to the second one, third to the third one, and the first toggle switch is connected to the 5th pin, and it goes on, and last pin is the ground, and above the last pin is the supply. For buying this breakout, you can go and visit our website www.tenettech.com, and the source code and the schematic of this breakout will be published as soon as possible.